This is the VEVEGA's 2.0 U-shaped raised bed, and the company reached out to me to do a product review on it, and I said yes, I would be interested, and they sent it out to me. So I'm going to show you how to put it together and how easy it is to put it together, and afterwards I'm going to show you how to fill it, connect it to my drip system, and plant. So out of the box, this is what we have, and I've laid the pieces out in the shape of the bed, and it came with a instruction manual as well. Here's the instruction manual, and this is the shape that we're going to be making here. So all of the necessary equipment came with it. And we have the nuts and bolts. We have a little tool to tighten everything up. We have the protective edging here. And we have everything that we need to put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting it together and bring you along. So, as you can see, it's all put together. The only thing left to do is to put the safety rubber around the top of it, and I'll do that later. And then I'll show you when it cools off, how I fill it and what I'm going to plant in it, and as well as connecting the drip system to it. So stay tuned. So good morning again. It's the next day. And as you can see, it is put together. I'm going to go ahead and put the rubber protection around it. And then I'm going to show you how I fill it up using cardboard, compost, and old logs. Okay, there we go. Okay, I've added some logs into the bed. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some compost and some grass clippings and some yard leaves. Some leaves I'm going to rake up from back here. And we're going to spread that in. And then we're going to add some all-purpose soil. So we have the bed approximately 2/3 of the way full. I would like to go up to the second ring of the bed, but I'm not going to be able to do it at the time of this filming. But at some point I will come back and add more soil. The next step I'm going to do is to connect it to the existing drip line system, and then after that we're going to do a little planting. So, excuse me. So as you can see, we have connected the drip system to the previous existing, and it is working perfectly. You can see the water dripping down. I planted some sunflowers, a variety called Mammoth, and also some hot peppers. The sunflowers are on the right. The hot peppers are on the left. So while we're looking at my handiwork, I must say, overall putting it together, it really isn't that difficult. It takes about maybe 45 minutes. Perhaps the most difficult part of it is pulling off the plastic that is on each panel when you take delivery of it. Some key points about this particular bed: it's high quality and low price. It's eco-friendly. It's easy to set up. It's designed to last 20 plus years. It's customizable. It looks good. Had a little hesitation about the orange clashing with my other gray raised beds, but overall, I like it. It looks fantastic. I shouldn't have that many problems with weeds or anything like that. I have It's raised up about 17 inches, so shouldn't have too many problems with weeds. My soil, most of the time I make my own soil. So over time, the bed itself will become completely full with my raised soil. The raised soil is made out of compost, peat moss or cocoa coir, vermite, and various amendments that I add. And what I'm going to like about it a lot, I don't have to bend down. That's primarily the main reason that I went to raised beds. Less bending, and I don't have to bend down and get on my knees or anything like that. The bed is resistant to high temperatures, here in northern Florida, the average temperature during the summertime is about 97 degrees. And with the heat and humidity and the heat index, it feels like it's about anywhere from 110 to 115. That is not transferred to my plants. My plants don't suffer on receiving extra heat from the metal of the beds. The only thing that I have to do, obviously, is to make sure that I water them. The bed comes in multiple colors. This one is orange. There's gray. I believe I saw blue as well. Um, I will have stronger root system on my plants and will have better drainage. And I can grow. My season is long anyway, but the beds heat up quicker than the ground. So my season can start earlier. As I said, I want to thank you for coming along with me while I put together this new raised bed and also connected it to my drip system. I am ecstatic about it. It allowed me to extend my garden. It's bigger than I thought it would be when I first moved up here, and I want to be very specific and clear. I'm grateful to VEVEGA for reaching out to me rather, and asking me to do a review. If you're interested in this particular bed or any of the beds that VEVEGA has, I'll leave on my affiliate link on the screen. I'm affiliated with them, which means if you do purchase something from them, I get a small commission. I also will leave a discount code up for you as well. That way you can save yourself a few coins if and when you decide to purchase. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. As you can see, I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you are a returning subscriber, I thank you. You guys have made the channel grow larger than what I ever thought it could. So always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.